Imagine building a freelancing business that earns money while AI does most of the work for you, even if you have zero experience, zero skills, and no portfolio. In this video, I'll show you how to create a complete AI-powered freelancing profile, pick the right services, and start getting clients fast in 2025. Whether you want a side hustle or a full-time income, this step-by-step method is designed for beginners who want results today. AI has completely changed freelancing. You no longer need years of experience to get paid. Tools like ChatGPT, HeyGen, Canva, 11 Labs, Midjourney, and Pictory let you deliver professional quality work instantly. Businesses don't care how you create content. They care about results. And AI gives you the power to produce content, designs, videos, and voiceovers in minutes. Before building your profile, choose a beginner-friendly AI service. Some high-demand services you can start offering immediately include AI content writing with ChatGPT, AI video creation with HeyGen or Pictory, social media posts with Canva, AI voiceovers with 11 Labs, logo and banner designs using Canva and Midjourney, YouTube scripts and SEO content, product descriptions for Shopify or Amazon, AI resume and LinkedIn profile writing, and AI chatbot setup. Pick one niche and focus on it. Even a single service can earn you your first clients quickly. Next, build a professional freelancing profile. Start with a clean, memorable username like AI Studio Pro, Digital Creator Hub, or AI Content Works. Add a friendly, AI-enhanced headshot using tools like Canva or Remini. Write a bio that highlights your services and includes keywords clients search for. For example, I help businesses grow using the power of AI. I create high-quality content, videos, and designs using advanced AI tools like ChatGPT, HeyGen, Midjourney, and Canva. My work is fast, accurate, and designed to help you get real results. If you need professional, AI-powered digital services, you're in the right place. Add relevant skills even as a beginner. AI content writing, AI video creation, ChatGPT expert, Canva design, AI script writing, social media content, SEO writing, and virtual assistants. Then, create an AI portfolio in 10 minutes using sample projects. 3 thumbnails from Canva, 2 short videos from HeyGen, 3 social media posts, 1 blog article from ChatGPT, and 1 AI voiceover. Upload these to make your profile look professional and experienced. Create your first gig using a clear title like, I will create high-quality AI videos using advanced tools like HeyGen and ChatGPT. Write a description. Looking for fast, professional, AI-enhanced digital content? I create engaging videos, social media posts, scripts, graphics, and content using top AI tools. Perfect for businesses, creators, and brands. Fast delivery, clean results, 100% satisfaction. Start with pricing. Basic $5, standard $15, premium $30 to $50. Increase your prices as you get reviews. To get your first clients, send buyer requests quickly and deliver simple projects fast. Optimize your gig with keywords like AI video creation, ChatGPT writing, Canva designs, AI social media content, and AI script writing. Post your AI samples on TikTok or Instagram to attract clients directly. Offer one free sample, like a 10-second video or a small design, to build trust and secure your first paid order. You don't need prior experience or a degree. All you need is AI and the drive to start. Build your profile today, upload your first sample, and launch your freelancing journey. 2025 is the year of AI creators. This is your chance to earn real income without traditional skills. If you want more AI freelancing tips, tools, and scripts, subscribe and comment AI Freelancer below, and let's grow your income together.